Henry's flying a kite, he and Jackie, on the beach. There it is, way up there. What are you guys doing?
Flying a kite.
We got all the string out there, don't we? That's way up there.
Henry, watch this.
Dusty.
If you run with it, it'll go far. I want to do it. Oh, it'll live.
Did you get that on video?
I don't think I did.
Oh no. Jackie, pull it up. Don't let it crash into the ocean. Oh no.
Yeah, we got the kids freaking out.
That's Henry's kite. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh, here goes Henry. I'm trying to tell him how to do this. Because she's the expert now. She did it twice. Watch out.
Don't crash it on anybody.
Yeah, please don't hit any